Okay, for the first lesson today we're going to learn about pronoun. So what is actually pronoun? Pronoun is kata ganti. Kata ganti orang. This is just the explanation of the word pronoun. Now, we're going to go to find out how many pronouns that you need to know. Well, actually, there are lots of them, but today we're going to focus on this. Mhm. We're going to focus on subject and then object pronoun and then possessive pronoun and reflexive pronoun. You can add pronoun here. Right. Next, before we continue to explore what subject, pronoun, object, pronoun, and all the other things, I need to elaborate about this. So from here, we've got possessive adjective. I'm going to show you how I usually learn about pronoun. So here we've got subject pronoun, possessive adjective as a determiner, possessive pronoun, object pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. Subject is subject, so I think all of you know what subject is. We've got I, you, he, she, we, they, it. Next, we've got possessive adjective as a determiner. So from I, we will have my, you, your, he, she, her, we, our, they, their, it, its. Next, for possessive pronoun, we have mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. And we don't have possessive pronoun for it. Next, we go to object pronoun. If the subject is I, so the object will be me. And then you, him, her, us, them, it. For reflexive pronoun, we have myself. You, yourself. He, become him, self, and then her, self, ourselves. Because we is always plural. We consist of at least two persons. So we use ourselves. And then themselves. Itself. Okay, I'm going to go back to you. Because you is not always singular. It can be meant as plural. Jadi you artinya bisa kamu, satu orang. Atau bisa kalian, banyak. So, it can be yourselves. Oops. I'm gonna fix this. Okay, I fixed this one. Yourselves. With S and it's using the. So whenever it comes to plural, self becoming selves with V. Okay? Right. I usually sing this song like this. I, my, mine, me. You, your, yours, you. He, his, him. She, her, hers, her. We, our, ours, us. They, their, theirs, them. It, it's, it. That's... Well, I believe that you already have used this kind of things in your sentences, but probably I need to explain more on this. Jadi yang sering salah, orang biasanya ngucapin ini. My, mine, your, yours. Bukan ngucapin itu, but how to use it. Mereka menggunakannya masih salah. So, the difference between possessive adjective as determiner and possessive pronoun hanya satu sebenarnya bedanya. If you use this, di belakangnya harus ada bendanya. But if you use this, you don't need anything behind it. Okay? So for example, ini bukuku. You have to say, this is my book. But when it comes to mine, you don't need to mention the book. Jadi nggak harus disebutkan barangnya. You just say, this is mine. Jadi sambil showing the book, you say, this is mine. That's it. Okay. This is the example. I love him. So I here is a subject, right? Subject pronoun. Him is the object pronoun. Love is the verb. Kata kerjanya. Now when it comes to this sentence, it's going to be different. This is my book. Di sini dia berfungsi sebagai subject, but we're going to focus on this. My book. This is what we call possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. This is kata bendanya, it's the noun. So whenever you use possessive adjective, there should be a noun after that. Like this one. Where is your book? You can say, where is your? No. Where is your book? Again. Sorry. PA plus noun. And then, this is mine. Nah, di sini kita boleh pakai mine saja without mentioning the book. This is mine. Punyaku. Okay, next. Is this yours? Apakah ini punyamu? Without mentioning. Punyamu ini maksudnya apa? No. Tapi kita bisa showing the thing. For example, this pen. Is this yours? Apakah ini punyamu? Like that. Next. Sorry. I write this book by myself. Aku menulis buku ini sendiri. Some people rarely use this. I write this book myself. Jadi terkadang orang melupakan by. Jadi langsung myself. It's okay. Jadi nggak salah ya. And then do you write it yourself? Nah, like this. Both are correct. But using by is more complete. Okay, next I'm going to give you example for we. But I need you to show this thing first. This is the example. I love my parents. Okay? My parents, di sini ada S. So it means there are two. It's mom and dad. Pronounnya akan berubah jadi they. So we use it they. Love me. Me dari kata I. Okay? Now if we change this into we love my berubah jadi our. We love our parents. And when it comes to object, akan berubah jadi they love us. Okay? Please remember, this is very crucial because so many people use it incorrectly. Us, we selalu di depan. Us di belakang. As an object. So if you say they love we, it's totally wrong.